Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the birthday beauty box for the month of July from the Next Beauty. This month the beauty box is retailed for £18 and worth over £50. It contains 8 products and you have an option to choose a product from the box. You may choose between YSL sample size lipstick and YSL sample size fragrance. Which one I choose, you will find out later in today's video. Okay, beautiful people, I hope I have made you interested about this beauty box. If yes, let's move to the unboxing. The first product that we find is from the brand Nukes, prodigious floral, multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. Nourish, beautify and scent your skin with this cult dry oil. It's enriched with 7 precious botanical oils, leaving your skin with a gorgeous satin sheen while smelling floral and fresh. As usual, I will insert on the screen the size of each product that we will find. About this dry oil from Nukes I heard many good things, that smells divine, that is super nourishing. For me, now that I have it, I can say that it smells very nice. A bit too sweet and floral for my taste. I prefer a floral fresh scent, not a strong sweet scent. The second product from the box is from the brand Organics London, Perfect Night Sleep, body butter with English lavender, sweet basil and jasmine. Super floral and blended with a magical wonder mineral that is magnesium. This rich body butter nourishes the skin, giving you a moment of dreamy pre-bedtime bliss. After all, you deserve it. With the brand Organics London, I'm not very close. I don't like their strong plant scents. Here I see the lavender and that could change my mind because I love the lavender scent in shower gels or body lotions. The third product from the beauty box is from the brand Nails Inc. London. Is a nail polish, 45 seconds speedy gloss in the shade Kensington. Designed with your busy day in mind, this hero polish is quick drying and chip resistant. The only nail varnish you need for a foolproof speedy mani. I am agree with the description of this product. I have a couple of nail polishes from Nails Inc. London and they are really good. Product number 4 is from the brand Beauty Pro, retinol under eye patch. These under eye patches will help to brighten dark circles and visibly improve the appearance of pigmentation. The serum infused gel patches are rich in ingredients to help smooth skin texture and visibly reduce fine lines. Product number 5 is a useful product, is a beauty sponge from the brand Brushworks. HD Definer Complexion Sponge. Ace your base with this brilliant complexion sponge, a must-have in your beauty bag. It evenly blends makeup for a flawless, enhanced finish. A beauty sponge is always welcome. Happy with this product. The sixth product from the birthday beauty box is from the brand Este Lauder AquaBrilliance Watery Glow Primer. Strengthen, hydrate and protect your complexion in one with this lightweight skin primer. It creates a breathable layer between you and the environment while providing all day and long-term moisture. You know my opinion about face primers, I will not repeat myself. Ta-da! Product number 7 is a sample size lipstick from Yves Saint Laurent, Rouge pour Couture lipstick. Met your new signature lipstick. It combines intense, highly pigmented color with full coverage to deliver a long-lasting matte finish. The shade is beautiful, is a wearable nude shade. From YSL I didn't try the matte lipstick formula. Very happy that I will try it now. Product number 8 from the beauty box is an eyeshadow palette from the brand Iconic London. Soft and smoky eyeshadow palette. Your go-to eyeshadow palette for all occasions. This cute quad covers all bases from everyday glam to smoldering smoky eyes. Each powder shadow is ultra pigmented with high color payoff and a long-lasting blendable formula. I didn't try the iconic London eyeshadows formula. Let me know if you have tried it. I know the brand very well. I tried a couple of products from them and to be honest, not all of them was great. Okay guys, we unboxed the birthday beauty box for the month of July from Next Beauty. Here are all the products from the box. What do you think? Is a great beauty box or you are not sure? I am curious which was your favorite product. Mine is the YSL lipstick and the Brushworks beauty sponge. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!